Hey, this is Dean with Dean & Dunn Handyman Services, and today we're going to be rescreening a door. Your spline, this little tool that helps put the spline in the groove, some tape, and then of course a razor blade. So what we did first is lay our screen out on the door. Then what we're going to do is tape just to hold the screen on the ends. 1, 2, 3, and then we'll start with the spline in this corner and come this way. So now I got the 3 corners taped, and we're going to start over in this corner with the spline. So once you tape all 3 corners, you start in the corner that's not taped, and you basically just put the spline in the groove. Use your tool to press it down in there like that, and then you basically kind of hold your screen tight. Get it like this. You hold it tight while you go down with your tool, putting the spline in. And as you're putting the spline in, it kind of pulls the screen at the same time. When you get down to the corner, go ahead and take your tape off. So it'll be free for the spline to pull it. And when you come to a corner, you just round the corner, push it down in there, and then get it started on this side as well. Just keep going along. Another tip is to, as you're doing this, press this way. So if you are to slip, you'll go into this and won't slip and break your screen. So just keep that in mind as you're doing it. So now I've done one long side, one top side, and I'm starting on this side, and as I go down, I want to be sure to pull this, keep some tension, so when your finished product comes out, there's no sag in it. It's just a nice tight screen. That wraps the video up. Thanks for watching. I know the video skills are not the best, but I'm going to work on that. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below.